So you're looking to know how much balance you have left on your Google Play Store gift card, but you don't want to redeem your Google Play Store gift card to do this. Okay, so in today's video we'll be seeing if you can check your Google Play Store balance actually without having to redeem it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Alright, so typically to check your Google Play Store gift card balance, you have to go to click on your account tree icon right here, and then you go to the payment and subscriptions. And then once in this payment and subscription, if you haven't added your Google Play gift cards yet to your account, you wouldn't be able to see it in the payment method. Okay, so what you have to do to make sure that this account, your Google Play gift card actually shows here, is to redeem the gift card first. Okay, so you have to redeem it through this option here. You enter the redeem code and then you click on the redeem button. But what if you don't want to use this method? This is where things get a little bit trickier. So if we go to Google's official support page, we can see that a product expert has actually reviewed this case, and according to them, there is no way to check your gift card balance without redeeming. And they also emphasize that do not trust any website, phone number or other service that says that they can check for you. They are all scammers that will take the code and vanish with it. So that is actually very clean and clear, so you should keep that in mind. You can't check your Google Play gift card balance without redeeming it. Okay, so this applies not just for Google Play gift cards, but for most other gift cards out there, including iTunes and Amazon gift cards. Okay, so you can't check your Google Play gift card balance without redeeming it. So to typically check your Google Play gift card balance, the steps you have to take are, first off, you have to open your Google Play Store and then you go to the payment and subscription, and once in the payment and subscription, you click on the redeem code and you enter your Google Play gift card code just like so. And then after entering that, you want to click on the redeem button, and after clicking on the redeem button, your Google Play gift card is going to be redeemed and available for check right here in the payment method. So you'll be able to see your Google Play gift card right here, and including its balance associated to the gift card. Okay, so that's how you get to check your Google Play gift card balance without having to redeem it. Of course, you can't check this balance without redeeming it, so you just need to redeem the Google Play gift card in case if you don't have the code. So alternatively, a myth that you can try to get in to check your Google Play gift card without having to redeem it is just to contact Google Play itself. So you just want to click on your account icon and then click on help and feedback. After clicking on help and feedback, just click on the contact us just below here, and then you want to search for the problem related to your issue. Okay, so you can just tell what you want. You can also just enter something just like so. And then you just click on next. So after entering that, you just want to select the area that you facing with. So I'll just select something, your play balance and gift card, and after that just click on next step. And after this, you'll be shown a whole couple of steps or a few resources that you can check to resolve this issue, but you want to still click on next. Then you want to contact them through email or even through chat. So just select the method that suits you best, and then you have to describe your issue right here, including your transaction ID or everything that sort. Since we don't have a transaction ID, you can just come and select still from this resources tab, and then you take the process from fresh. You can just check you can just check the option that best matches your needs, and then we select, let's just say we select Google Play apps, and then we click on next. So click on the next step, and then you want to contact them through email. You enter your last name. The transaction ID here is not a mandatory option. As you can see, it does not carry an asterisk. So you just want to describe your issue that you can check your Google Play gift card balance. Just tell them, hi Google, I can't check my Google Play gift card balance, that you've lost the code because you can't find, because I can't find the code, the redeem code. If you can help. Okay, so after doing that, you just want to submit this, and after submitting this to Google, your email is going to be sent to them and they will reply you in no time. Okay, so they will possibly help you to check your Google Play gift card balance without having to redeem it. Okay, so that's how you get to, that's the best and legal way to check your Google Play gift card balance without having to redeem it. But don't expect a response from Google, because you can see that their chat opening is for 24 hours after you've received, you sent the message. So using email chat is not as convenient as always, so you should just expect Google to respond to you when they have the time to do so. Okay guys, that's how you get to check your Google Play gift card balance without having to redeem it. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next one.